You know where we are going? Don't know? We are going... Can you guess? We are going to... Can you guess? To a trip! We're asking, no?
Hill station.
Hill station.
Like Kodaikanal route.
Is it open? Your choice.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a room tour. Now we have reached our hotel number is 222. I'm a ballerina, 222. So let me give you a room tour. Okay, let me give you a tour. So first, the bed is so humongous. Those are the pillows, and this is the huge bed part, and a TV remote. And there's a mirror here next to the bed. Hello. And this is the where you call for room service, and an AC remote, and there's towels and stuff here, and there's a big TV, not that big, but it's a TV, and a trash can. I think this is a section for making tea or drinking water. Oh, wow! And there's a balcony. This is the balcony, pretty small. Okay, and these are the shelves. The shelves where we keep our bags and keys. there's another shelf down here where we keep our shoes. And there's a closet here that I can't open. And then, okay, this here. It says insert card for power. I think that's a power card. Key card. Okay. So I'm just going to give you a spin tour of the room now. And a tour of Mama. And that's it.
Yeah.